guys. So I had a question about my Elder Scrolls, or the Elder Scrolls Online non-Steam version, installing it on the SD card instead of the internal. I found a method on, use my other computer, it's got it pulled up. Someone installed Ubisoft Connect via this method. I will put the command up on the screen. It'll also be in the description below. So first I have to go and re-download the Elder Scrolls Online launcher. Alright, so we need to navigate to Steam. Browse. Files. I'm going to go to Properties. That's the target. Start in, let's see, did they change that? Right click, I'm going to go to Compatibility, Force. Let's try Proton Experimental. That's what I used last time. For access, you need a minor adjustment. Okay, so let's go back to Shortcut, Launch Options. Let's try. I'm not sure. I believe these are case sensitive, so I'm going to follow that route. Work. Don't worry about Non-Steam. Yes, yes, got it. Oh, I love that method. Can't believe it works. So now we get a mouse and keyboard. It'll be much easier to tap and click through things. So with this method, what this is supposed to do, that shortcut command, welcome to this one, install, blah, blah. Ooh, laggy. It's supposed to allow the access to the SD card. The Steam_compat_mounts allows it to mount as it runs. So we're going to see if that's how that works. I didn't realize such the frame drops before. So the 49 gigs available, I believe that was my internal, so we need to look for 52 gigs free, because that is the SD card. I'm not going to actually install it, I just want to get to that point. Run media. Found it! Only 7 gigs available. Yeah, that's where all my Steam apps are. Okay, so yeah. Oh, might have to make a new folder. Can we make a new folder in here? ESO. Oops. That should work. 52 gigs available. Okay, so there you go. If you want to use your SD card, let's go back and look at the array. Yeah. Let me get a better view of the location. /run media mmcblk0p1, and then just create a folder there. So I hope that helps. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you the next time.